Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HD01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Today, we'll address a common issue reported by users: the Dyson HD01 won't turn on. This problem can occur due to various reasons, including a faulty thermal fuse, which is designed to protect the motor from overheating. If this issue isn't resolved promptly, it may lead to more severe damage to the device, potentially rendering it unusable. To successfully carry out this repair, you will need a few tools: a screwdriver set, a multimeter to test components, a replacement thermal fuse, and some zip ties to manage cables neatly. First, ensure that the vacuum cleaner is unplugged from the wall socket. Carefully lay the Dyson HD01 on a flat surface, ideally a soft cloth, to prevent scratches. Begin by using a screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the machine. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the top casing off the device. Take care not to force it, as this may damage the clips holding it in place. Next, locate the thermal fuse. It is generally positioned near the motor. Use your multimeter to test the fuse for continuity. If the multimeter shows no continuity, it indicates that the fuse has blown and requires replacement. To extract the faulty thermal fuse, gently disconnect the wires attached to it. Remember to note where these wires connect, as you'll need to attach the new fuse in the same manner. Carefully remove the old fuse and insert the new one, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the wires, making sure they are secure to avoid any disconnections during use. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing the thermal fuse, it's essential to check that no other components were affected during the process. Reassemble the casing by carefully aligning it and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Once everything is back in place, plug the Dyson HD01 back into the power source and turn it on to test if it functions correctly. If it powers on, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your vacuum cleaner. To prevent this problem from recurring, make sure to clean the filters regularly and avoid overloading the vacuum, as excessive strain can lead to overheating and damage in the future. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.